Welcome back. In this new episode, we're going to continue analyzing open source intelligence by using two tools, recon-ng and the harvester. Let's start analyzing recon-ng, developed by Black Hills. By the way, I know John Strand, who's the CEO of that company, so amazing hacker. Anyway, I already added a certain number of domains and companies in this tool, and I'm gonna add more details about the way recon-ng works in the blog post. I don't do it here for time constraints. Anyway, analyzing the tools available for domains. You see, we have a bunch of built-in tools. We're going to try use the first one, and like Metasploit, we only have to prepend use to this module. This tells us the options we can have for that. Let's try to run this module. And it didn't find anything. Let's try running it again, but it doesn't work. Okay, not a problem. Let's move to the second tool here that analyzes public PGP search. In other words, public keys available on PGP. We found something here. You see some PGP key association for several subjects here. Another useful tool is this one that uses Bing to retrieve other hosts connected to that domain. We were able to retrieve several hosts from Bing. Now we can try to do the same with Google, because Bing and Google may retrieve different search because Bing and Google may return different search results for us. They don't use the same criteria. Something doesn't work. I don't know why we had this error. Okay, let's now see how to export results. The options of this module are okay, and I don't need to replace the file name. And I simply have run and I added 8 records to this file. Anyway, here's the file. And we see the hosts we found before for this domain. Okay, let's now talk about a different tool called the Harvester, which essentially looks for email addresses and domains based on a series of search engines. Here I had redirected the output of this command to a file, but now I'm performing the same command, but I'm gonna display it to screen so you can see the way it works. I limited the search to 500 results. So like I showed you, you can delve much more into open source intelligence by using the Harvester and recon-ng. These aren't the only tools available out there. There's much more to it, and anyway, I barely scratched the surface here, and I barely showed you some general functionalities of these tools. You can find much more going online to YouTube or Googling. Anyway, I hope that overview is enough for you to have a clearer idea of how to develop as an efficient open source intelligence for your pen testing purposes or for any other purposes you have by following this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and stick around for the next part. Have a good one. Bye bye.